Hey, the 6-bolt volumes lab. This is going to be a quick spin for a quick release. So for Hook of the Reaper, it's going to be version 1.3.4B, and lead hook strip is going to be 0.51. So this is to fix one kind of major bug, and I found some other smaller things. So I fixed. So in lead hook strip, the one big bug was the display range for high life values. So in the last release, I added in the difference of 2 or more. So this is when the old ammo value is bigger than the new ammo value. And that if the difference is bigger than 2 or more, it recalculated. Well, that's good for ammo and switching weapons, but it's not good for high life values. Like in Terminator, and I think Alien, one of the Alien games, Let's Go games. So if you go from like 100 to like 90, that's going to be 10, and it will recalculate it. So it always kind of look like it's never moving. It's always going to be full health kind of thing, which is not good. So I added in a new argument called ammo check, which is kind of similar to what I did in the light gun side. So this turns on the ammo check and off. So how did I do that? How is it going to mess with game files? Well, the good thing is it's not going to mess kind of with game files at all. So these are the top two are kind of what's been in here already. And as you can see, ammo check is auto. Well, how's ammo check auto? Well, I have the output signal, so I check for ammo in the output signal name, and it's non-case sensitive. So usually it's going to be like ammo or not. So actually, if you come down to here, you can see it's usually P1 ammo or ammo 1PA. So this is Demolish Shooter's way, and this is the FFB Blasters kind of way. So that's how it kind of, so if it finds that ammo, it will auto turn on the ammo check. If the output signal name doesn't have that ammo, it doesn't turn it on. So that's how it pretty much, you don't have to change anything really, any of the game files. So people can just reuse all the other game files. But if you did want to force it on and off, you can do these examples down here, which I have, sequential reload, disabled and enabled, and ammo check off, and ammo check is on. So that's how. So I updated the website to display all this info. Then down here I also have ammo check. So this will fix the bug for this, which is good. So that was kind of one of the major things to fix. Also, another thing I found for bugs for light hook strip, I had some print Fs in there still, left code left over. And that was kind of the reason why the UF2 was so large, because when I compiled it, I'm like, wow, this UF2 changed a lot. And yeah, when you have printf in there, it makes it a lot bigger. But once I took it out, it dropped down a lot. So that's good to see. So moving on to Hook of the Reaper is kind of the same thing I was talking about. I implemented the ammo check into Hook of the Reaper, so it does it automatically if you don't set it. So like I said, it's based off the output signal's name, and if it finds the ammo, it will enable ammo check automatically. So no one has to really change their game files, light game files, which is really nice. Then I updated the test light controller to implement the ammo check checkbox, which is kind of funny. Then a couple other things I found is when when you're adding a light gun, I didn't set the use custom command file false in the constructor. So it was kind of floating. So one time I added a light gun and it said, you know, it can't find the custom light controller file. And I'm like, I didn't set that. And it's 0. And I'm like, it can't be. If it finds it, it should be 0. So now I put it to false. So now it starts at false. So now if you add in a light gun, hopefully now you don't get that can't find the custom light gun file. And also the deleting light guns was not working. I did change this a while ago. So when I was trying to delete some light guns, it wasn't working. So I just switched back to the old way. So now it's working, which is good. So, and if you come in here, if you go test light controller, now it's the ammo check down here. And if you come down here to like display range, then you can check the ammo check. But that's kind of it. Then for enhancements on lead hook strip, I did make a pull down version. So this is enables a pull down on the data pin of the addressable lead. And this is kind of more to help with signal integrity. As I talked about in the past, it has a low bottom end. So it just has 0 to 0.3 volts is the bottom. So I thought it could probably help with signal integrity, enabling this pull down, because it's the voltage is non-terminated, but it can help out just a little more push to go to 0. So this is only if you're having problems with a lead, like you're having LEDs come on, you have a couple LEDs that are changing color. So do not use this unless you have a problem. So now if you go to the releases and you go to lead hook strip, and you'll see down here version 0.51, you'll see this. You see the normal ROMs up here. Then I have a big warning, because I know if I don't put a warning in, I know like tons of people will grab this firmware and go, oh yeah, pull down sounds great. Let me put that in. And I tested it with the pull down. It runs fine, but at this warning, do not use that. So only use these top firmwares. And I don't even know anybody that has RGBW. So pretty much these three right here are the firmwares people want. So only download those. Do not download any of these unless you're having problems. Okay. But that's pretty much it. So that's a quick spin. Thanks. Bye.